What's going on YouTube? Tony here, back again with another video. This is the first video taken with the Google Pixel 8 Pro. It is a horrible day to shoot video though, I tell you that. It is overcast and I believe there's an eclipse going on today or something. And on top of that, it's drizzling, so I probably got like drizzle on my camera. Get the ball, Sam, come on. Sam, get the ball. Get the ball. Good boy, come on. So it's drizzling, and this is the one time. Let me go ahead and space this out. We got the 0.5, which is the wide, the one time, the two time, and there's a flag down there, the 5 time, and then I could probably zoom in all the way up to that flag. I'm sorry, it's cold. This is the 20 times. 20 times zoom. So really nice camera. My fingers in the damn shot. It's cold. It's 40 something degrees today. Get the ball. Good boy. Come on. 40, I think it's like 46 degrees out. And I picked a bad day to, no Sam. Get the ball. Come on. I picked a bad day to shoot video, but oh well. My dog wanted to go for a walk. So I said, well, let me take the Pixel. I just got it today. And it's fresh off the charger. I just charged it also to like 98% after I installed all my apps. It came with like 55%, and then by the time I downloaded all my apps, he's having fun. By the time I downloaded it and installed all my apps and set them up and logged in, I took it down to 20%, and then I went ahead and just threw it on the charger at that point. Let it charge up, updated all my apps. I believe I got an update, a software update also. So yeah, but anyways, let me know how the video, and sorry for the overcast day, and sorry for the drizzling day, but let me know how the video is. As far as the audio, I'm recording this one-handed and no sort of tripod or nothing. Just freehand. That's how I do my videos. Make them simple, direct and to the point. And so far, the first thing I noticed when I did do the unboxing is that it is way much more premium looking and feeling than the Pixel 7 Pro. So that's definitely a plus. And I did watch videos, YouTube, and the speakers on here sound pretty good also. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with the build quality and the audio so far. I haven't made too many calls on it yet, but we'll still do that. We'll do that on later videos. I also want to test out the GPS. I know the GPS is probably definitely on point, but last time I used the GPS on my Pixel 7, I believe it like overheated. So I want to test this out and make sure we don't have any overheating issues. I know the Tensor G2 has overheating issues. Get the ball, Sam. Hey, get the ball. Come on. Let me kick the ball to him. Good boy. But yeah, video quality looks good. I wish it was a more sunnier, brighter day, but this is what we got to work with. So October 14th, eclipse, overcast, and drizzle. Sorry. The worst scenario. There's that flag that I zoomed in to 20 times. But anyways, guys, stay tuned for more videos on the Google Pixel 8 Pro. This guy's a nut. And stay tuned for the battery. I know a lot of people are interested in the battery quality. It kind of looks choppy on the screen here. I hope it doesn't do that on playback, but yeah, everybody's concerned about the battery life with the high refresh rate on the screen. Where's the ball? He's gonna use the bathroom. He's gonna use the bath. That's what he does. Anyways, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. I want to give him his privacy. Oh, never mind. He changed his mind. Come on. Thought you were gonna use the bathroom. But yeah, battery life is concerned with the LTPO screen, the higher resolution screen at that, higher refresh rate, but now it drops down. Yeah, he's gonna use the bathroom over there. All right, guys. Anyways, we'll test out the battery life, and I'll report to you guys. There's an airplane in the background. I want to see how that sounds. Also, while I'm recording video, he's still doing circles. And yeah, stay tuned for that. I'm also gonna do a day in the life real world battery test on here. So I'm gonna take it to work and use it like I normally would starting Monday, and report to you guys and let you know where I'm at with the battery life. Windy. We're getting some more rain. Okay, we out.